Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titignan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong second quarter of 2024, April, May, June. Ayan. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin na ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano makakapag-book. Okay, let's see Sag. Second quarter ng 2024. What's coming? Okay. So, bottom of the deck, the Hanged Man. May pagtigil. May pagmuni-muni, pagninilay-nilay. Oo, maaring, okay. Maaring may mga offers kang ma-receive ngayong second quarter. This can be love offer or, investment, properties, or jobs. Pero parang hindi ka ganun ka open sa mga offers na to. Oo. So, you have the King of Pentacles, Eight of Swords. Kaya siguro hindi ka ganun ka-open is because you are overthinking things. Baka iniisip mo na hindi mo kaya or maaring nililimitahan mo yung sarili mo sa mga kaya mo pang gawin. 'Di ba? So, it's time for you to get out of your head na wag mong i-overthink lahat ng bagay kasi karamihan dyan, hindi naman talaga yun mangyayari. Lalo na kung yung ino-overthink mo is something negative that is just going to give you anxiety or yun lang yung pipigil sa'yo kaya hindi mo magagawa yung gusto mo, 'di ba? So, Page of Pentacles is about learning, nurturing what you already have. Oo. So, ayan, ang dami mong talents and skills, kakayanan. Kailangan lang talaga dyan is pag-aralan mo kung paano mo to mapapaunlad, mapapalago. So, example, marami kang mga punla, no? Mga buto ng kung ano-anong halaman, prutas, gulay. So, syempre, no, may potential yon na lumago, mas dumami, and eventually, pwede kang kumita ng malaking pera doon, no? Over time. Pero, hindi mo siya ginagalaw kasi maaring tinatamad ka or hindi mo alam kung paano gawin yon. So, syempre, you already have that seed, no? Meron ka ng punla. Pero, kailangan, kung hindi mo alam, you have to educate yourself. Research, learn more about it kung paano mo mapapaunlad yon. Same goes with anything na meron ka na abilities na may computer ka, no? May internet ka, may cellphone ka. So you can use that to educate yourself, learn new things, no? Para mas mapaunlad mo yung sarili mo. Kasi meron kang potential dito na maging financially stable ngayong second quarter. Okay? Kung i-break free mo yung sarili mo sa limitations. So, let's see. Overall energy, you have the Three of Cups. So, Three of Cups is about celebration, connecting with others. So, maaring ngayong second half ng 2024, mas mag-network ka. Mas marami kang taong makikilala, magiging kaibigan, new connections. And you have the challenge of the Five of Pentacles. So, as a challenge, medyo mahirap talaga to, lalo na kung imbes na gawan mo ng solusyon yung problema mo, nagmumukmuk ka pa, 'di ba? I'm not calling you out, but sometimes it happens, no? Five of Pentacles is scarcity, parang kakulangan, feeling mo may kulang sa'yo. Pero tinan mo, tinatrap mo lang yung rose dito, no? And rose is a symbol of passion, your drive, no? Yung lakas mo. So, maaring tinatrap mo yan Kaya hindi mo na-explore, na-discover pa yung sarili mo to be more abundant, no? To bring in more income sa buhay mo. Okay? So, yan yung kailangan mong i-work out. So, for your opportunity, you have the Knight of Swords. This is breaking free from your limitations. Tignan mo, lumilipad ka sa pamamagitan ng isang feather lang, 'di ba? So, syempre, yung mga ibon, ilang feathers yan bago sila makalipad kasi marami silang feathers, 'di ba? So, now, itong, naman ginagawa niya dun sa ulap, kinakat niya. Ang cloud kasi, it symbolizes yung, medyo magulong isip, no? Or pwedeng mga limitasyon. Kaya nga sabi, I have a cloudy mind. So, ibig sabihin, clouded siya, parang magulo or hindi clear, no? So, ngayon, sinisira mo na yan kasi gusto mo magkaroon ka ng clarity in your life. So, I think this is your opportunity to bring clarity in your life ngayong second quarter ng 2024 about sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin, gusto mong mangyari. So, with the Fool card as your blessing, so this is definitely independence. You are going to experience something new, no? Para kang napunta sa ibang dimension or ibang reality. Okay? So, the more na mag-explore ka, the more na you will try to discover more about yourself, the more opportunities will come to you na kung saan meron kang bagong mundo na i-open, no? So, ito ay metaphorical, no? So, pag sinabing bagong mundong i-open, it's about new opportunities opening up for you, no? To experience. So, the Fool is about someone na risk taker. So, for some of you, you are finally taking a risk. So, pagdating sa money, career, finances, medyo may losses dito, no? 5 of Cups, pwede kasing meron kayong experiences in the past na feeling nyo nasayang nyo lang yung energy nyo, yung resources nyo, yung pera nyo. But still, you have 2 more here na may potential na mas lumaki, lumago. So, hawak-hawak mo pa rin yan. So, kailangan mo lang makapag-cross ka dun sa kabilang side kasi doon wala nang tubig, wala nang baha na pwede mong itanim uli yan na kung saan mag-grow ulit. So, this is about you na not focusing doon sa mga nawala but focusing on what you still have pagdating sa finances mo, sa career mo, sa business mo. Being thankful for what you still have. And the Page of Wands is about adventure. So, like what I mentioned kanina, it's time for you to go out, explore bagong experiences in terms of your career, your business, your investments, your finances. Okay? Kasi you have the resources that you need. Sa relationship naman, you have the Ace of Swords and the Ace of Pentacles. So, definitely new opportunities for romantic relationships. But I see this as nasa parang early stages of connection kasi may communication. Kumbaga parang it's inaalagaan mo pa lang, nagsisimula pa lang sumibol itong love na to for someone. Yung iba naman, if you are already in a relationship, communication is the key to your success, no, ng relationship ninyo. And I think you will grow your relationship. Importante dyan na meron kayong pagkakaintindihan, no, with the Ace of Swords. Communication talaga, napaka-importante. And yung practicality rin pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon. So, hindi man pwede na puro love lang. Dapat practical ka rin. Ano ba yung may offer nyo sa isa't isa na kung saan mag-grow kayo, magiging successful kayo together. Diba? So, let's see what else. Knowledge, learning. Yes, you are going to learn new things. That's part of your exploration din. Kasi ang pag-explore, hindi lang naman yan sa pagta-travel. But also to exploring your mind, no? Yung pag-aaral. Deeper meaning. You are nourishing yourself. I think, mas magiging spiritual ka rin ngayong second quarter ng 2024. mas magmamature ka eh. Maturity in a good way. Next is express love through gifts. So, I think pagdating sa appreciation sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, you're going to be more expressive sa, pagpo-provide ng resources sa kanila. Same goes with them. Spiritual connection. So, for you, gusto mo na you are deeply connected sa mga taong hahayaan mo maging malapit sa'yo. Whether this is friendship, romantic connection, or even sa family. Trust your faith, dive into the unfolding journey. What is your faith asking of you? See? So, meron ka talagang i-dive in a journey. So, it's time for you to step out of your comfort zone. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye.